Mistplay referral. Bonuses only work when the new player joins through the referrer's unique referral link and completes the required steps. So simply entering a friend's code after creating an account may not qualify the referral. By the end, you'll know why a Mistplay invite may fail and what both people should check before trying the referral again. First, check whether you're dealing with a referral link or a missed code. Mistplay's referral program uses a unique referral link. A miscode is a separate promotional code that you enter inside the app. These two systems are not interchangeable. A Mistplay support on one end. For referrals, the new player needs to use the unique referral link during sign-up and opt in to the referral program. The referred friend then needs to install a game through Mistplay and reach checkpoint 5 in that game for the referral to be considered successful. A Mistplay support on one annotiert und der Mistplay. That means the timing matters. If you created your Mistplay account first and only received the referral link afterward, don't assume the referral can be attached manually. The current Mistplay instructions specifically describe joining through the referral link as part of the process. Next, check whether the referral is still visible. The referrer can look at the pending invites section in Mistplay.io. Mistplay says a pending friend referral may disappear if the friend does not install at least one game or reach checkpoint 5 within a month of joining. Mistplay support on 22 needs in 7 and Mistplay support on wait. Also, check whether the referral program is available in your country. Mistplay currently lists the United States, Canada, France, Great Britain, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, and Korea for the referral program, and says availability can change. In Mistplay, support on the H. If you're trying to use a miscode instead, enter it from the appropriate code section in the Mistplay app. Mistplay says, miscodes are case-sensitive, can have redemption limits, and eventually expire. In Mistplay support on 42. So if a promotional code says it is expired or unavailable, trying the same code repeatedly will not fix it. There is another important point. Don't create fake or duplicate accounts just to trigger a referral bonus. Mistplay says fraudulent activity, including fake accounts or attempts to manipulate the referral system, can result in suspension or removal from the referral program. Mistplay support on 5. If the referral link was used correctly, the program is available in your region, and the required game activity has been completed, but the bonus still doesn't appear, contact Mistplay support. Include screenshots showing the referral status and the exact problem. The practical checklist is: use the referral link before sign-up, opt in, install a game through Mistplay, reach checkpoint 5, check pending invites, and verify that referrals are available in your country. If you're using a miscode instead, check capitalization, expiration, and its redemption limit. Try those checks before creating another account. If this fixed your Mistplay invite issue, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.